Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery drain test in the Redmi Note 8 Pro using the Always On Display application. So in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, you won't get any Always On Display feature like the other smartphones like the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X2 device. So in the Redmi K20, you can see the always on display, so which has been inbuilt in the phone, even in the Realme X2 as well, which has been inbuilt. But in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, this is not the case, which is not inbuilt because the phone is IPS LCD panel. So that's why I decided to download the application from the Play Store and use the application. And let's check how much the battery will be drained throughout this test. So I'll be disconnecting the Wi-Fi and I'll be running only this application in the background. So let me close all the applications. So Wi-Fi I have disconnected and all other everything I have disconnected. Just I'll be using the digital clock, so which I'll be selecting this kind of basic clock here right now. So right now I selected, and right now the time is of 8:26. So I'll be using this battery drain for the 1 hour continuously, and let's check how much there will be a battery drain. Again, I'll be back after on 9:26, so we'll get to know for 1 hour how much there is a battery drop. So right now it's 44 percentage. So other good thing and advantage is that whenever it's covered in the proximity sensor, the application turns off automatically, so which is very advantage for the in this application. So you can give it a try. So again, I'll be back after 1 hour, and let's check how much the battery will be draining the device. So as you can see here friends, it's been exactly like close to 1 hour of continuous using the always on display. So you can see clearly there's only decrease of 3% in the battery in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So that is not very much when compared with the normal always on display phones. So usually in the Redmi K20 Pro there will be a drain of 1 to 2% for every 1 hour. As you can see, before it used to be 9%, now it's 8%. So 1% used to decrease in the normally always on display phones like in the Realme X2 or Redmi K20 Pro device. But if you want to still use this kind of feature in the other phones like Redmi Note 8 Pro and Honor 9X device, so there's a decrease in of maybe close to 3 to 4%. As you can see right now, I'm talking a decrease to 40%. So overall you can expect up to 3 to 4% decrease in of battery if you want to use the always on display feature in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And this is a test which I did with the 50% of brightness. So let me show you. So as you can see friends, this is the test with the 50%. So maybe the results might be vary if you are using with a low percentage in terms of the display brightness. As you can see here, the brightness decreases. So depending on the brightness also, they'll be draining the battery as well. So that's it guys. Overall, I'm quite happy with the battery drain. There's not much drain in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.